Hey, welcome to the Automation Land. This is Hamim and you're gonna be learning how to automate a website. You're gonna be learning automation testing with me. So, so what we're going to learn is we're going to learn the Java. We're gonna learn some basic of Java, and then we're gonna use those and integrate them with Selenium and automate the website. And you can do so many things with that. And so for now, and this course is designed for people who want to learn like automation and all this thing, and how to do automation and how to automate a website with Selenium and Java. So the first thing first is like what you have to do. You have to install the Java on your operating system. So the thing is, like, if you're using Windows, that is what I'm using right now. So I'm gonna be showing you step by step how to install Java on your Windows. And if you're using Mac, you don't have to follow the same step, because you can just go to your terminal and if you're using brew, and then you can just run a command that brew install Java, and that's gonna install Java for yourself for your Mac. So the thing is, like, for Windows, you're gonna have to do some configuration. We're gonna have to set up the environmental variables and everything. Then I'm gonna show you all those things step by step. So the first thing first that you have to do is, like, you have to go to your browsers, and then you're gonna be searching for download JDK. And you have your like search result, you're gonna be seeing like this one, the www.oracle.com. So you're gonna go to their website, and then we're not gonna be downloading Java 17 or anything, right? We're gonna be using Java 1.8, which is gonna be Java 8, right? And then what we going to do is, like, I don't see it over here, but might have to look for it somewhere. Right here. So we're gonna be downloading this one, Java 8, right? So this is gonna be long-term support until like December 2030. So if you're using so whatever your operating system is, so we're gonna be selecting from here. For Mac OS, you don't have to do anything from here, right? You can just go down to your like terminal and just write brew install Java. That's gonna install Java for you. And for Windows, we're gonna go down to the Windows, and we're gonna select 64 installer, and then we're gonna be clicking over here. So once you click on the download, and then you're gonna be have to checking that box and then download JDK. So on it's gonna be asking you to log in, right? uh, what's going on here? So let's see. Okay, this site is experiencing technical difficulties. It has to happen right now. All right. So let's try it one more time. Okay. So yeah, there you go. So it's gonna be asking you. It will ask you to log in, and if you have your Oracle account, then you can just log in and just click sign in over here. And if you don't have it, you can just create your account, right? And over here, when you create your account, you just put your email address and the password and everything. And then over here, you don't have to provide your real name. You can put any name you want, right? And then from here, you can just like create account, and you can just log in from there, right? Once you sign in, and then it's gonna start downloading. You don't have to do anything else. So what you have to do after that, you just have to install it, like double click on it, and just click next, 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 and it's going to install it for yourself, for your PC. So after that, what you're going to do is, like, you're going to go to your, so whenever you install your Java, is basically gonna be installing, is usually installs on your local drive, right? You're gonna go down to your local drive, you're gonna go to program files, and you're gonna look for Java right here, right? So there is Java right there. So you're gonna go to the Java, right? And then we're gonna be for me, I have the two library right here. One is JRE, one is JDK, right? So for you, probably gonna be JDK, right? So you're gonna click on JDK, you're gonna click on bin, right? And then okay, don't click on bin, just go back and just click on JDK, and just copy this path from here, right? You're just gonna have to copy this path. After that, you're gonna have to put this path in our system variable and the user variables, right? And then what you have to do is, like, you have to search for something that is called setup environmental variables, right? So you're just gonna write env, and that's gonna be after that, you're gonna be seeing this edit system environmental variables, right? So we're gonna click on here, and then this will pop up, and then we're gonna go to environment variables, and then over here you're gonna have two sections. So one is gonna be user variables, and then the other is gonna be like system variables. So we're gonna go to the user variables. You're gonna click on new, and then we're gonna write Java underscore home, right? And then we're gonna be pasting whatever you copied. So this is what you copied, right? So we're gonna pasting over here, and then we're gonna click OK. I'm gonna click cancel because I already have it over here, right? And then after that, what you're going to do, you're gonna go down to the system variables, right? You're gonna go down to the system variables. You're gonna look for path, something called path. So this is what is path, right? So you're gonna click on path, right? And you're gonna go at the bottom, right? At the bottom section right there, and you're gonna double click on it, and you're gonna paste whatever you pasted, right? Whatever whatever you copied, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna do backward slash, right? And then you're gonna insert bin right there, right? Okay, so once you've done that, you're gonna click OK. Again, I'm gonna click cancel, and then you're gonna click OK, apply, and everything, right? I'm just clicking cancel because I already have it installed, right? I don't install it twice, you know. And then what you're gonna do is like you're gonna go to your search again, and then you're gonna search for CMD, right? So once your CMD opened, and then what you're gonna do is like you're gonna run a command which is java dash version, right? So once you run that command, you should see this right here, right? And then if you don't have it, that means that your Java is installed, but your environmental variables is not set up properly, right? Just go back and then follow my steps, and then it will you'll get this message. So if you have this message, that's it. You don't have to do anything else. So that means that you can write Java code on your operating system, right? So after that, what are you going to do? We're gonna be downloading an IDE, right? So IDE is something like where you're gonna be writing code for your Java with the Java, right? So a lot of people uses Eclipse, but personally, I like Eclipse. It can handle really like big project and everything, but it feels kind of slow to me. So what I will be using for this course is gonna be Intelijj, right? So we're gonna go to the Google again, and we're gonna search for download Intelijj, right? And then you're gonna go to their website, which is jetbrain.com, right? And over here you can choose your operating system, whatever operating system you're using, right? I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna be choosing Windows. And there are two versions. One is ultimate, so this one is like paid versions. We don't need that, okay? And we're gonna be doing it on community version. This can offer everything that you'll ever use, okay? And then we're gonna be clicking on download, okay? So I'm gonna download it, all right? Okay, I already have it downloaded, so I can just pause it, right? You can download it, and then I will go to my download folder. I think that's where I have it. Okay, right here, right? So this one is gonna be crash. All right. Okay. What's going on? Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna be installing this one, right? So I will install it, and you can do the same, all right? And then over here you're gonna have to check a box which is gonna be Intelij's ID Community Edition right here. So create a desktop shortcut, so that's what you're gonna select, nothing else, all right? And then next, right, install. That should do it, okay? And we're just gonna be waiting. So after it installs, we're gonna have to do some setup. Like we're gonna have to configure our IDE to write our code and everything, right? By default, it is okay, but I'm gonna give you some tricks that you can use that will be much easier for you to write code. So, all right, keep waiting. All right, that's it. Then we're gonna check this box, run Intelij's IDE Community Edition, right? And then we're gonna do finish. And yeah, then you should get this option right here, and then it just said that do not import anything, but you don't have any like directories, right? You don't want to import. So That's it, and we're just gonna wait. And over here you're gonna have this window, right? And we're gonna be creating a new project, right? You have like so many options over here, like themes and everything, right? Plugins and everything. We're not gonna be using any plugins just yet, right? So customize and all this thing, and this is IDE font. So this is basically like how big you want right here, right? So by default is 12. 12 is fine by me. So we're gonna go to the project, right? And then we're gonna click on new project, and it's gonna start the process. And okay, right here. So over here you're gonna see like project SDK, which is gonna be 1.8. And later on, if you want to use different SDK, like different Java version, you can always download it from here, right? You can always download it like version 17 or whatever, right? You can always download it and it's gonna use that version. But for now we're gonna be using in this whole project, we're gonna be using 1.8. Okay, so that's keep it, just keep that in mind. Okay, Java 17 like doesn't have a lot of things that Java 8 has. So the thing is like we're gonna be using Java 8 on 1.8. So Java, and then we're gonna select on Java because that's the project that we're gonna be creating, right? We're gonna click on next, right? We don't have to select anything, like check this box or anything, and then next, right? Over here there's the project name. Okay, so the project name, okay, we're gonna be doing like first Java project, right? So see how I am naming this project, right? So the first is gonna be uppercase, right, first, and then Java. So after every word I'm doing like camel casing, right? So after like on every word you're gonna have to, like, if you do it, like, it looks better, and this is like a business practice. Okay, everybody uses that, so that's how you do it too. Okay, so and then we're gonna click on finish. You have more off settings right here. We don't have to do anything else over here. Let's just finish. This project already exists. Override it. Yeah, sure, why not? Okay, that's totally fine. All right, and now what you're gonna do over here is you're gonna be getting this over here. So just close it, right? You don't have to do anything else. You're gonna close this project for now. We're not gonna be going into the project just yet, right? And then what are you going to do? We're gonna do some configuration for our Intelijj, right? So for that we're gonna be going to the file, right? And then we're gonna go to settings, right? And then we're gonna go to the editors, and then we're gonna go to the general, right? And then we're gonna go to the code completion, right? Over here it says the first letter only, right? But no, we don't want the first letter, we want all the letter. Okay, so this is what you're gonna choose, all letters, right? So it's gonna, if anything you write, it's gonna start suggesting you all this thing. Okay, and then after that what you're going to do is like show parameter name hints on completion, right? So this is what you're gonna choose. So what's gonna happen is like it's gonna show you the parameter name, like if you have like multiple parameters, and then it's gonna show you all this thing about the okay, you'll see probably not gonna be understanding anything, but you'll see. So then we're gonna see the whole full method signatures, right? And then we're gonna click apply, and then okay. Okay, one more thing that I forgot, you can go back there again. Okay, and then you're gonna go to the font right here in the editor font, right? And we're gonna be doing like 17. For me 17 looks better to me. All right, so I'm going to 17. You can change like 15, 16, whatever, right? 17 is better. All right, and then apply, and then okay, that's it. So yeah, that's all for today. And I'm gonna be so we're gonna be creating your first Java program on like on the next video. So if you want to learn more, and then you can always like watch the next video, and please subscribe my channel if you want to. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.